Oh, I'm excited. Our school now has the iPad 6th generation. As you can see on the back, iPad 6th generation. So I'm going to be cracking it open and taking a first look at this beautiful device. Here we go, a thing of beauty. Obviously fragile. There's a nice glass front that I have to worry about. Inside the box, I see the charging cable. Looks like some instructions here. Got the whole charging assembly here that I can use. Before I do want to get it up and running and into the hands of students, however, I want to make sure that I get a nice case on this. So today I'm taking the Edge 360 carry from Brenthaven. I'm going to go ahead and get this set inside. This is their 6th generation case that I can fit appropriately. Make sure that the camera hole lines up. Get it in set, and then I'm just going to snap this in so that all 4 sides of the device are protected, all 4 corners are protected, and no matter what the students do to this, it's going to be fine. We've got protection on the sides, protection on the corners, all the ports are working just fine, and I can charge it up, get it ready to go.